Ever wondered how to bring your brilliant app idea to life? It's a journey of creativity, technical skill, and sheer determination. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the process, from that initial light bulb moment to the day your app goes live in the App Store. First things first, define your app idea. Pinpoint the problem it solves, identify your target audience, and outline its key features. Next, dive into market research. Look at your competition. Is there a demand for your app, and what makes it unique? With your research in hand, it's time to create a detailed plan. This includes your app's functionality, design, and a timeline for completion. Now, choose your platform. Will your app be for iOS, Android, or both? This decision will determine the technologies you use. If you're a programmer, start learning the necessary languages and tools. If not, consider using app development frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Next, design your app. This involves creating the user interface and user experience. If design isn't your forte, consider hiring a professional. With the design in place, you're ready to start coding. Break the development process into manageable tasks to stay on track. Once your app is developed, it's time to test. Look for bugs, glitches, and usability issues, and make improvements where needed. Next, ensure you have all necessary licenses and permissions if your app uses proprietary content or third-party APIs. Now, create attractive icons and screenshots for your app. These visuals are essential for marketing your app in the app stores. Then, register as a developer on your chosen app store. Be prepared to pay the associated fees. With registration complete, it's time to publish your app. Make sure you follow the App Store guidelines, including providing a detailed app description, keywords, and visuals. Next, develop a marketing strategy to promote your app. Use social media, websites, and other promotional tools to create buzz. Once your app is live, listen to user feedback and make updates accordingly. This responsive approach can contribute to your app's success. Remember to regularly update your app to fix bugs, improve features, and ensure compatibility with the latest devices and operating systems. Consider your app's revenue model. Will you use in-app advertising, in-app purchases, or sell the app? Use analytics tools to track your app's performance, user engagement, and key metrics. Lastly, consult with a legal professional to address any legal issues, including user data privacy, intellectual property, and terms of service. Creating an app is a complex process, but with determination and the right resources, you can bring your app idea to life. Remember, the journey requires constant learning and adaptation. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey?